Welcome back to my channel, Automoto Xpert family. Today, we have something special for all you adventure lovers out there. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 204V is here, and it's better than ever. Stick around as we dive deep into what's new, what's improved, and whether this bike is the ultimate budget ADV machine. Hero has been listening to feedback, and they've brought some crucial updates that make this bike even more capable and exciting. Close-up shots of the bike's design, headlights, and new features. Post. First things first, the design. The 2025 Xpulse 204V keeps the rugged adventure DNA intact but gets some exciting refinements. The LED headlamp has been upgraded for better night visibility, now offering a wider and brighter beam pattern that ensures safety during night rides. The windscreen is now taller, providing improved wind protection on highways and making long rides much more comfortable. The bodywork is slightly tweaked for better aerodynamics while keeping that aggressive rally stance intact. Hero has also introduced new color schemes and graphics to enhance the visual appeal, catering to riders who love stylish yet functional motorcycles. Engine close-up, exhaust sound, speed tests. Post. Under the hood, we get the same 199.6cc, oil-cooled, 4-valve engine, but Hero has fine-tuned it for better throttle response and fuel efficiency. Power figures remain close to 19.1 PS and 17.35 Nm of torque, but the refinement levels have definitely gone up. The 6-speed gearbox ensures smoother transitions, making it much more touring-friendly than before. The fuel injection system has been optimized for improved combustion efficiency, resulting in a smoother power delivery and reduced vibrations at higher speeds. The exhaust note has also been tuned to give a more aggressive and sporty feel, enhancing the overall riding experience. Riding clips on different terrains, city roads, highways, off-road. Post. Now, where the Xpulse truly shines is its off-road capability. The long travel suspension is now slightly improved, soaking up rough terrains like a champ. The 37mm telescopic front forks with 190mm travel and 10-step adjustable monoshock at the rear make it an absolute delight for trail riding. Hero has also tweaked the chassis for better stability at high speeds. The updated swingarm design provides better durability and control, ensuring that the bike remains planted even in demanding off-road conditions. The spoke wheels remain the same, offering excellent shock absorption, while the dual-purpose knobby tires provide enhanced grip on dirt trails, gravel roads, and wet surfaces. Close-up shots of the instrument cluster, switchgear, and riding modes. Post. Technology lovers, you're in for a treat. The 2025 model retains the fully digital instrument cluster but now comes with improved Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and a better anti-glare display for better readability in sunlight. The cluster now features real-time fuel economy data, gear position indicator, and customizable themes for a personalized experience. Also, the ABS system is now switchable, which means better control when off-roading. Hero has also introduced a new eco and sport riding mode, allowing riders to choose between fuel-efficient performance and a more aggressive throttle response for spirited rides. Brake testing clips, ABS demo. Host. Braking duties are handled by the 276mm front disc and 220mm rear disc with single-channel ABS. While we still wish for a dual-channel ABS setup, the braking performance is quite confidence-inspiring, especially on tricky surfaces. The brake calipers have been updated for improved bite and feedback, ensuring shorter braking distances and enhanced rider confidence. The rear brake lever is now positioned for better accessibility during off-road riding, providing more control while tackling steep descents. Host. A crucial factor for any budget ADV rider, fuel efficiency. The 2025 Xpulse 204V is expected to return around 40 to 45 kmpl, making it one of the most fuel-efficient adventure bikes in this category. Plus, with a 13L fuel tank, you're looking at a real-world range of nearly 500 kilometers, perfect for long-distance touring. Hero has also improved the fuel mapping to ensure better mileage in varying riding conditions, making it an even more practical choice for riders who love to explore without frequent fuel stops. Host. Now, let's talk pricing. The Hero Xpulse 204V 2025 is expected to be priced around 1 rupee and 50 paise 1.60 lakh rupees ex-showroom. This puts it head-to-head with bikes like the Royal Enfield Scram 411 and the Honda CB200X. But in terms of sheer off-road capability, the Xpulse still dominates. Hero is also offering an optional rally kit that includes a taller suspension setup, handlebar risers, and off-road footpegs for serious adventure enthusiasts who want to push their limits on extreme trails. Riding montage, scenic shots, closing statements. Host. So, is the Hero Xpulse 204V 2025 the best budget ADV out there? Well, if you're looking for a lightweight, capable, and affordable adventure bike that can tackle city streets and rugged terrains alike, this one is a no-brainer. Hero has once again proven that you don't need to spend a fortune to have an adventure. The improved ride quality, refined engine, and advanced tech features make it a worthy upgrade for new and experienced riders alike. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Outro shot. Host riding off into the sunset. Host. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Automoto Xpert for more exciting content. Ride safe, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I've added more details about the bike's features, refinements, and performance improvements. Let me know if you need any further enhancements.